Let me ask you something. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive without panicking? 1 month? 2 weeks? Or would you be reaching for a credit card immediately? Here's the harsh truth. Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because they ignore the fundamentals. They chase hot stocks, gamble on crypto tips, and try to get rich quick. But wealth isn't built with excitement, it's built with discipline. In this video, I'm giving you 5 simple money rules that actually build wealth. Not hype, not trends, not shortcuts. If you follow these consistently, you won't just survive financially, you'll become financially unshakable. Let's get into it. Remember, wealth isn't just about growing money. It's also about surviving setbacks. An emergency fund is your financial airbag. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical emergencies, car repairs, and unexpected bills can all arise. Without savings, life forces you into debt. With savings, life becomes manageable. Start small if you need to. Aim for $1,000 first, then work towards saving 1 month of expenses. Eventually, you should aim for 3 to 6 months, or even 9 months of expenses. Slow, consistent investments become big money over time. The earlier you invest, the more compound interest works for you. Let's say you invest $300 a month. At an average return of 8% over 30 years, that's not just $108,000 invested, it becomes over $400,000. This growth isn't due to luck, it's because of consistency. Don't wait for the perfect time to invest. There is no perfect time. Instead, invest regularly and think long-term. Ignore the get-rich-quick noise. Debt is reverse investing. If your credit card charges 20% interest, that's a guaranteed 20% loss every year. You will not outinvest that. High-interest debt is financial quicksand, and it can drag you down. Attack it aggressively. Start by listing your debts. Pay the minimum on all of them, but throw extra money at the highest interest rate first. Every dollar of debt you eliminate is a guaranteed return on your money. Freedom from debt increases your cash flow, and cash flow is what builds wealth. Never bet everything on one idea. This means not putting all your money into one stock, one cryptocurrency, or one property. Even the smartest investors get it wrong sometimes. Diversification protects you from being wiped out by one bad decision. Consider a mix of index funds, stocks, bonds, real estate, and different industries. You don't need to be fancy with your investments, you need to be protected. Wealth isn't built by hitting home runs, it's built by avoiding catastrophic losses. This principle is often underrated. Fees are silent wealth killers. A 1% higher fee over 30 years can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Pay attention to investment expense ratios, trading commissions, tax efficiency, and unnecessary subscriptions. The less money leaking out of your investments, the more that stays invested and compounding. Small percentages matter more than you think, and keeping your costs low can significantly impact your overall wealth. None of this is flashy, and it won't go viral on TikTok, but it works. Building an emergency fund, consistent investing, minimizing debt, diversifying your investments, and keeping costs low are the 5 pillars of financial stability. Do these 5 things for 10 to 20 years, and your future self will undoubtedly thank you. If you found value in this video, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe for weekly practical finance content that actually helps you build wealth, not gamble it. And comment below, which of these 5 rules do you need to focus on most right now? Let's build smarter and for the long term. See you in the next one.